Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this thermometer from Alpha Grillers. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but for some things you need to know. Guys, first of all, what I really like about this is it has these magnets on there. They're not super strong if you're just using it on like thin metal, but if you have like a stronger grill or something that has pretty good metal on there, these magnets are pretty sturdy. So that's a really nice feature. As far as the actual unit itself, right here we have a bunch of different settings, and you can set it to just manual and just set a certain time, for example. Let's just say you wanted to set it for 10 minutes and then you wanted to set the temperature. You would set it up and down here for your set temperature for what you want the goal to be. So for example, if you wanted your steak to be 140 degrees, you would set it to that and then hit that again, and then it would be ready to go, and then it would start the countdown. Super, super nice. All right, guys, this does have some presets that you can use. In my experience, they're a little bit off. I would highly recommend checking your temperatures before you set them on the presets. You can go to a preset. For example, you could go to chicken, and then you could take it down from 175 down to 165 if you wanted to, for example. I recommend just making sure that you check those presets to make sure that it's the correct temperature that you want it to be. It's a little bit off in my opinion, but the price that you get this for, I've seen units that do the same exact thing as this one does for quite a bit more. So if you can ignore the discrepancy on the actual presets that it has a little bit off, then this is a great unit. As far as the temperature gauge goes, guys, it's about 3 feet long, and it is very long. You can put that in a big turkey, a big piece of meat. It is very accurate. Yesterday I was sous videing some stuff, and I tested this in the sous vide, and you can tell that it's the same exact temperature as the sous vide, and sous vide is very accurate. You can tell that it's the same exact temperature. So as far as the accuracy of the probe goes, in my experience, it is spot on. Guys, my favorite thing about it has to be the fact that at the price that you get it, it's amazing, okay? The thermometer is super accurate. This thing is awesome. You set it to the temperature that you want to cook to, and you put it in, start cooking. It's going to beep at you when it reaches temperature, letting you know everything's done. Guys, the other thing that's amazing about this, like I said before, is it's a fraction of the cost of these super expensive ones. Does almost exactly the same thing. And the fact that those little presets are a little bit off, let's just be honest, we should probably be setting temperatures manually anyways, just so we can learn how to be a better chef and kind of fine tune things to learn what type of steaks we really like, how rare, how medium well, how medium, whatever we really like. So the fact that those are a little bit off, I just ignore those anyways. And I like to use manual anyways on any thermometer that I have. So that's what I recommend. But guys, for the price that you get this for, who really cares if those are off a little bit? It saves you a ton of money, and it's super convenient, guys. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.